stop paying for expensive SEO GEO tools, because here's what I'm going to show you, going to blow your mind. You can see in my billing page of SEMrush, I've cancelled that on December 15th 2025, and I replaced that with the Claude code. Yes, you heard it right. I'm using Claude to replace SEMrush. How? You are going to find that in this video. Hey guys, my name is Raman and welcome to my channel. And this video, I'm going to save thousands of dollars with this trick that you can use inside your Claude. Connect to MCP and it will provide you same level of data, but with customized reports. Claude will handle 99% of the processes. So I'm talking about the MCP inside Claude Cowork. And let me give you an overview what I've done. So here I connected this MCP and generated this keyword report. I plugged in two MCP. First is my Google Search Console and second is this MCP that I'm going to reveal in a bit. As you can see here, it provides me a personalized keyword recommendation based on my domain and on the priority of high to low. Not only that, there's one thing more I've done for my client in Houston who's opening up its dental shop. So I just analyzed the sentiment analysis for the top 10 ranking businesses of dental in Houston area, and this is what it provided me, the detailed report here. As you can see, so it says the top 10 competitor analysis. So it researched it and the rating, review, sentiment and key strength as well, all the positive negative sentiments, and the SEO and online visibility analysis as well, and SEO gap analysis that I can fill for my client. So let's start with the installation. So you need two things. So first is Google Search Console's plugin, and to use that I have very straightforward plugin for you from LobeHub.com, and here you will find this Google Search Console MCP server. I will give you a link in the description box, and here is overview and there's an installation method. Follow this installation, it's super simple. This Claude desktop and just go to this settings here, and there's a developer option and there's a edit config. So you need to just edit this particular file using text editor, or you can use your IDE. After that, just copy and paste this particular prompt and run this server by using this. So how to run that? Just open your terminal like here and run this particular server with this command, or you can copy that from here. What it will do is it will install that GSC server as well as ask for the credentials as an OAuth. So it will open that link in your Chrome, and you need to just choose your Google Search Console property email and link that with your Claude code. Copy this particular server config, go here, right click on it and open that with your text edit, and here all you need to do is to paste that somewhere here. Just paste that here and you're good to go. So this is the first MCP you need to install. So after this, your Claude has all the detail about your website, the keywords you're ranking, the traffic, organic visibility, everything, and the sitemaps. Now the next thing is the MCP which I'm going to reveal is the DataForSEO. So this MCP has everything that any marketer or SEO practitioner can use and replace all the tools. Yes, all the tools. I seriously mean that. So if you go to the doc section, you can do the scope you see here is so huge that you will be shocked. It has all the data from Google Ads, Bing Ads, Google Trends, data for SEO, and the clickstream data. And also the LLM mentions data, AI keyword data, also get the responses from the ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. So you can get the scope of this MCP, right? And there's a backlinks API. So here is on-page API. You can test all on-page SEO errors with the help of Lighthouse, all the content parsing error using this. So there's a content analysis as well. There's a merchant API from Google Shopping and Amazon as well. So there's an app data API. So you can get all the data from the Google Play Store and Apple App Store as well. So there's a business data API, and there's also a social media, Trust, Facebook, Reddit. You can track that for your benefits. They also have this databases that you can check for all the Google historical data and something like that. So how to install that? So to install this, you need to top up your account maybe for $10, $20. That's it. And it will be available for you. To connect that, they have this GitHub page. You just need to follow these steps. That's it. So first you need to top up your account with the $10, $20 or however you want, and you will get your API login, which will be your email and API password. You can get simply from by email, or you can reset API password as well. So this will be your login and password which you need to know. Okay, and after that, first install that server. Just go to your terminal. It will add that to your whole PC. So whichever folder you use, it will be available there. So after you do this, you only need to export this particular file for the MCP access. So just replace that with your username with this, and replace that password with your password here, and run that in terminal just like that, and start the server with it will start the server. Just close that window, and nothing else you need to do. Now what you need to type that into Claude. Do the same way what you have done with the GSE. Go to the settings, developer, click on edit config, and open that config here or any code editor you want. Just paste this. I will put that in the description box. Here this will be your username, this will be your API password. Obviously I will change that afterwards, so I'm just telling you this is how it looks like. So you just need to type that below here, or you can just, if you have nothing in here, I will give you a compiled desktop config JSON so that you can just copy and paste that into your Claude. That's it. After that, quit your Claude application and restart that. And after restart, just go wherever you want, chat with this. Just you can use the Cowork. Cowork is actually the best place to work because they have this multiple plugins that you can create your own and create the skills, the commands as well. So I've customized the skills. For example, the brand was to according to my writing mimic. So if you want the video on it, let me know in the comment box. I will create a whole video how to set that up. Here, let's do some test here. For example, grab losing keywords for my property and search for the same keyword using DataForSEO MCP from Google MCP, and search for the same keyword using the data MCP to fetch Google result, top 10 Google results, and provide me detailed report where I am lacking and what I need to outrank them. So that's it. So this is a simple prompt. I wanted to get the losing keywords from my Google Search Console property and search that keyword on DataForSEO MCP. They have this top 10 result from the Google, and then provide me a report where my keywords are ranking, what I need to do to be ahead of them. So this is one use case only. There can be hundreds of use cases. So for example, I will list that out in the promptslove.com. Do check that out. I will put all the use cases there. Here it asks about what time period should I analyze for GSE data. I want from past 28 days. And how should I define losing keywords? So losing keywords should be declining position, and how many top keywords should I analyze in depth? So top 10 I would recommend because it will take huge time to create that report. Perfect. I will analyze 28 of data, and here is the report. So it says view your report. So let's see the reports here, and there you go. And this executive summary, and target domain is our domain, and the keyword it analyzes number of 10. The average position is this. So the top competitor are these. So here is the competitor analysis. Major competitive gaps identified are title tag optimization, social proof and trust signals, and value proposition. For keywords containing prompt, competitors showcase natural language editing. So these are the things that we need to apply to our content. For example, so here's the first: AI photo editor online free, no restrictions. So position is this, and I just got this. And top 3 ranking competitors are these. Here my website is ranking because missing no restriction emphasis in title tag. So I need to add that into my title tag, and it will provide a way better ranking for my keywords. And there's no social proof, ratings visible. So we need to add schema for it. And there's a competitor emphasis, one-click instant benefits, so that hook the visitor to visit my website. So there is more keywords that it analyzes. You can see here, keep on going down. It's about 13 pages of a report. Okay, so this is the one use case. Let's do the next. Find my competitor using DataForSEO MCP and get all their ranking keywords, historical keyword. Find my top 3 competitors using DataForSEO MCP and get all the ranking keywords, historical keywords, lost keywords as well, and prepare spreadsheet with all of the data. No limit, get it all. SEMrush charges another $99 to get all the historical data, and with this you can get any data you want. So there are multiple use cases. If you have a local place business, you can track reviews of other people and you can deploy that to your own benefits and find the opportunities with this. Not only this, you can easily track your ranking on Google with interactive reports as well. For example, if you want to visualize that, you can ask Claude to code that for you. It will code that right away. It will create dashboards, anything you want in this MCP. So let it finish and we will wrap this video. And there you go. So if you see the steps, 101 steps is to create something like this, and about 16,000 keywords from writesonic.com, copy.ai 20,000 keywords, jasper.ai 29,000 keywords. It's all available for me to market that into my own business. You can preview that inside the app itself. Let's see in this first sheet, total keywords, where it's ranking, top 3 keywords, and total this every position. So let's go to the Writesonic. So these are the data from Writesonic just in one click. So no capping, nothing. Just you are going to pay what you use to DataForSEO, and that's it. So maybe you have days like 10-20 days where you never use SEMrush, so you keep on getting into the subscription trap. So using this, you can only have this Claude subscription, use that subscription to get and minimize all the cost. Just pay for what you use, and this way your cost will cut down a lot. And trust me, I have replaced 7 tools with the Claude Code and I'm loving it. So if you want to get more tutorials like this, do let me know in the comment box. I need your support. Please subscribe to this channel or share it wherever you want. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.